Money, the key to both happiness and achieving your dreams. But it's no secret that earning it can be a tough battle, and it has a knack for slipping away as fast as it comes, often leaving you feeling enslaved. You desire financial stability and a comfortable life, but you're not willing to sacrifice your freedom in the relentless pursuit of wealth. You've seen people trapped by their riches, unable to enjoy life's true spoils. They're rich, no doubt, but they lack true wealth. In this video, we'll distinguish between being rich and being wealthy. The difference is substantial. The rich have money, while the wealthy possess the most valuable currency in the world, time. We all enjoy spending money on movies, dining out, and shopping. But what happens when responsibilities mount? Working harder becomes the norm, but for how long? Do you want to end up like those elderly folks toiling just to make ends meet, working until their last breath? Money is just a piece of paper or a number in a system. It's a subset of value. True wealth, on the other hand, is value itself. It's about how long you can thrive based on what you have. In this video, we'll delve into the secrets of creating wealth, learning from those who have achieved it. Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Sheryl Sandberg, Oprah, Paul Graham, and others have paved the way for us. They want you to know that you can become wealthy too. So don't forget to watch the full video as we reveal 10 essential lessons on creating enduring wealth. It's not about accumulating possessions, but about having the freedom to live life on your terms. Let's get started. Number 1. Building wealth is about spending less than you earn. You know, it's all about the balance between what you earn and what you spend. If you're constantly splurging more than what's coming in, you'll have a hard time building wealth. Whether you're rich or not, we all get tempted by flashy stuff like the latest iPhone or a fancy watch. But here's the kicker. Buying these things might not actually make you happier or richer. Instead, it can wreck your ability to save. Here's a secret. Many wealthy folks live quite modestly. They save more of their money, and that's how they grow their wealth. When you spend your money wisely, you can also keep your debt in check. And guess what? That's a crucial step in becoming financially independent. Now, not all debt is the same. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like a mortgage for a house, can help you own assets that gain value over time, boosting your wealth. Bad debt is when you borrow money to buy things that lose value quickly, like those impulse buys you make with credit cards or no-cost EMI offers. So, here's the deal. If you want to avoid overspending, try to cut down on your debt and aim to live without it if possible. This will keep you on the right path to achieving your wealth goals. And who doesn't want that financial freedom, right? Number 2, understand your motivation for wealth creation. Trying to get rich just for the sake of having more money might not be the best approach. I mean, it's not a very sustainable motivation. If money is your only driving force, it can be tough to stay focused and actually grow your wealth over the long haul. To really succeed in wealth creation, you've got to make your goals a part of who you are. Think about it this way. When you have a clear and personal goal, like saving for your retirement or getting that dream car, you're way more motivated to work toward it. But it's not just about the tangible stuff. There are other things that can keep you on track with your wealth goals, like going after further education or supporting a charitable cause. These kinds of goals can be powerful motivators too. Having a clear goal and real motivation can help you deal with all the distractions that life throws at you. It's like a roadmap that keeps you on the right path to achieving your wealth goals. So, it's not just about the money. It's about what you want to do with it and why. Number 3, make your money work harder than you. We all work hard to make more money, and earning more helps us save. But having a second source of income through smart investments can speed up our wealth building. For example, consider investing in stocks. Some companies share their profits with shareholders through dividends. Sometimes the money you earn in dividends can even surpass what you initially paid for the shares. Similarly, with investments like the Public Provident Fund, PPF, the interest you earn can exceed your initial investment if you leave the money there for a long time. But here's the key. For your savings to grow significantly, you need to invest for the long haul. This might mean decades, not just a few years. The longer you invest, the more your money can grow. Here's an example to illustrate this. Let's say you start investing 1,000 rupees per month at age 25 and increase it by 100 rupees each year. If you keep doing this for 35 years and earn a 12% return on your investment, your savings can grow substantially. Starting early and staying committed to long-term investments can maximize your wealth-building benefits. Number 4, give your investments sufficient time to grow. Think of your investments like plants. They need time to grow. If you're young, you don't need to invest a lot because time is on your side. But if you're older, you might have more money, but there's less time for your investments to grow. Starting to invest early, even with a small amount, is like planting a seed. You can add more money gradually, like giving water to your plant. This way, you won't have to rush or stress about saving a lot later in life. So, it's important to understand that time is like sunshine for your investments. The longer you let them grow, the better they can become. That's how you reach your wealth goals as an investor. Number 5, know how you can benefit from the power of compounding. Imagine your money is like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small and seems to grow slowly, just like your investments. But over time, it picks up speed and gets bigger much faster. This is what we call compounding. When you're starting to invest, what's most important isn't how much money you make from your investments, but how much you put in. In the beginning, your money doesn't seem to grow very quickly. In the example you see, it took 20 years to reach 1 crore, but then it only took 10 more years to reach 10 crores. And in the next 20 years, it could grow to a massive 1,000 crores. In reality, getting a 26% return every year is quite challenging. So you might need to settle for lower returns and save more money to reach your wealth goals. That's why it's essential to understand how compounding works. It helps your savings grow faster over time. Number 6, know how to implement leverage. To achieve your wealth creation goals, working hard and earning more money might not be enough. This is because you have limited time for work due to daily responsibilities. Additionally, there's a limit to your initial capital and investment knowledge. Here's where leverage can help you grow your investments faster. Leverage means using the skills, time, or money of others to boost your wealth-building efforts. For example, financial leverage is when professionals like fund managers use other people's money to make more money. Time leverage involves getting help from specialists, and technology leverage means using advanced tools. Applying leverage can help you reach your wealth goals faster by tapping into others' skills and resources. One way to do this is by investing in equities through an equity mutual fund. This lets a professional fund manager grow your wealth with their expertise. Number 7, do not compare your wealth goals to that of peers. Comparing our achievements and finances to those of others is common, whether it's in the workplace or looking at our monthly salaries. In the realm of wealth creation, this habit of comparing can be a roadblock to reaching our financial goals. The challenge is that these financial goals often evolve over time. To stay on track, it's crucial to have clear, well-defined objectives. One effective approach is to create a detailed list of your wealth creation goals for the next 5 years. This list should include specific goals. Clearly state what you want to achieve, such as the amount you need to save. Time frame. Specify when you aim to reach each goal. Plan. Outline the steps and strategies you'll use to achieve these goals. Rewards. Consider how you'll reward yourself once you've successfully met a goal. This structured approach helps keep you focused and motivated, and it prevents you from getting distracted by comparisons with others. Your financial journey becomes more about achieving what you've set out for yourself, rather than keeping up with someone else's financial situation. Number 8, do not take shortcuts. To reach your financial goals, when you're an investor, you have lots of choices on where to put your money. Some are like old, reliable friends, things like mutual funds, ETFs, sovereign gold bonds, and good old fixed deposits, FDs. They're known to work well over time. But then there are the new, shiny options that catch your eye, things like NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and green technologies. They seem exciting and promise quick gains. However, it's important to be cautious. These new investments don't have the track record that the traditional ones do. They haven't proven themselves over time, so while they might look tempting, they can be risky. It's often smarter to stick with what you know works. Instead of trying to take a shortcut to wealth with these new and untested options, it's better to invest in the tried and tested ones systematically and steadily. These might not be as thrilling, but they're more likely to help you reach your wealth goals safely. Number 9. Never stop learning. Learning about managing money and understanding financial products is a crucial advantage when it comes to building wealth. In the past, acquiring knowledge about finance used to be quite challenging, but now it's become much more accessible. You can gain financial insights by visiting websites like ET Money, follow relevant content on social media, and even use educational apps that offer in-depth information about money management and the workings of various financial products. With the ease of finding and accessing this information, it's highly recommended to take full advantage of these resources. By continuously improving your understanding of key financial concepts, you empower yourself to make informed decisions about your money. Turning the interest in learning about finances into a lifelong habit puts you in a strong position to grow your wealth. Those who make this commitment to ongoing learning have a significant edge over those who neglect financial education. In a world where financial matters play a substantial role in our lives, being well-informed can make a real difference in your financial success and security. Number 10. Create greater value to generate more wealth. The amount of money you make in your life is often connected to how much value you bring to the table. This connection between value and wealth is why people in high-ranking positions at work earn a lot more than those just starting out. The same idea applies to companies. Companies that make products or offer services that people find really helpful are more valuable than those that don't. This also applies to building wealth as an individual. If you can do something better than others, whether it's entertaining, writing, selling, cooking, or anything else, and you can make money from it, you're in a good position to get ahead in your journey to build wealth. It's all about being really good at something and using that skill to earn money. Wealth creation is not a one-time activity. It's a continuous process that demands time and patience. By integrating these 10 wealth creation principles into your life, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals, whatever they may be. While you might not control your starting point in life, setting the right wealth creation goals and staying committed to them can lead you to financial success within your lifetime. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider sharing it with your friends and family to help us reach more people. If you have any questions or need clarification about anything discussed in this video, feel free to ask in the comments below, and we'll be happy to respond. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss an upload and you can enjoy the excellent content I send your way.